The Report Maintenance tab in the IBM Cognos Administration Console provides an area where report administrators can manage locked and orphaned reports in the version control repository. When an author locks a report, that author is the only person who can edit that report. Other users will be locked out of the report until the lock is released. If the author should forget to unlock the report, any user with the force unlock capability can release that lock on behalf of the user directly in the View Revision History dialog. However, the report administrator can also release the lock directly in the Report Maintenance tab in the IBM Cognos Administration Console. From here, as a report administrator, we can quickly have a glance at what reports are locked, by whom, and for how long they've been locked. We also can choose the button in the Actions column to force release a lock on a report. When a report is deleted from the IBM Cognos Content Store, the report and its revision history will become orphaned in the IBC repository. This means that there is still report information and version information for the report, but it no longer exists in the IBM Cognos Content Store. Typically, when deleting a report, it will show up in the orphan reports immediately. However, if you believe this list is out of sync, you can choose the Regenerate option, which will compare every report in the IBC repository with a corresponding report in the IBM Cognos Content Store. From the Orphan Reports list, you can choose the Preview option to preview the latest version of the report to see if it's something of interest. If you wish to recover the report back into the IBM Cognos Content Store, you can choose the Recover icon. Note that when recovering a report from Integrated Version Control, we can only recover the name of the report, the location, and the report specification. To recover security, run parameters, options, as well as schedules, run histories, and outputs, we want to use the Recycle bin. If you don't believe this report should be orphaned because it does exist in the IBM Cognos Content Store, but perhaps in a different location, you can use the Repoint Report option. This option will merge the revision history from the IBC repository with the existing version in the IBM Cognos Content Store. When moving a report in the IBM Cognos Content Store, revision history will travel with the report. If the orphan report is truly deleted and you no longer want it in the repository, you can choose the Delete option. You can also delete many reports in this list by selecting multiple checkboxes in the left column and then choosing the Delete Selected Reports button at the bottom.